Hello, I'm Tanya.
And I'm David.
And we are out side by side.
Today we are at the Bear Lake Nature Trail at Rocky Mountain National Park.
It's stunning, so come check it out with us.
Thank you for watching. Bear Lake is a scenic trailhead and destination in Rocky Mountain National Park. The Alpine Lake sits at an elevation of 9,450 feet and rests beneath Hallett Peak and the Continental Divide.
The trail that loops around Bear Lake following the shoreline is 0.8 miles and one of the most popular trails in Rocky Mountain National Park, even in the winter. Since this is a nature trail, the park recommends hiking the loop in a counterclockwise direction in order to follow along with an interpretive guide published by the Rocky Mountain Conservancy.
The hike begins just beyond Bear Lake Ranger Station. As the trail circles around the subalpine lake, it passes through a forest of spruce, fir, lodgepole pine, and aspen.
As you proceed around the lake, you'll likely notice that many of the lodgepole pines in this area are dead or are in the process of dying. This is a result of the mountain pine beetle infestation that's had a profound impact on forests throughout the Rocky Mountain region.
Bear Lake Road is a 10.5-mile drive from Beaver Meadows Visitor Center, which starts at an elevation of 7,840 feet and climbs up to Bear Lake at 9,475 feet. This road takes you to Bear Lake Corridor. The Bear Lake Road ends in the Bear Lake parking lot. Several popular trails begin at Bear Lake. Some are short and moderate hiking for families with younger children, while others are more strenuous.
Traffic can be heavy during the summer months, and the Bear Lake parking lot often fills up by noon on busy summer days. Consider taking the Bear Lake Shuttle bus to and from the lake. Park at the Park and Ride lot across from Glacier Basin Campground on the Bear Lake Road to catch the shuttle. The Bear Lake Shuttle runs during the summer months only, daily through early September and weekends only until mid-October.
To enter Rocky Mountain National Park during 2021, when we visited, 2 things were required: a timed entry permit plus a park pass or entrance fee. Keep in mind that you must purchase the Bear Lake Corridor timed entry as an addition to the park entry. Reservations to enter the park are on sale through recreation.gov, and always visit the Rocky Mountain National Park's website for the latest information.